In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Make.com scenarios for lead generation. Whether you're new to Make.com or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step to create a seamless and efficient workflow for capturing leads. First off, you'll want to head over to Make.com and go directly to the scenario section. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options and tools that you can use. This is the control center where all the magic happens. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now let's dive into creating your scenario. Look for the Create Scenario button and give it a click. This is where your lead generation journey really starts. Think of a scenario as a blank canvas on which you'll paint your automated processes. Next, you'll be prompted to select your module. Modules are essentially the building blocks for your scenario, allowing you to connect various apps and services. Choose the one that best fits your objective. For lead generation, you'll often start with tools related to capturing customer details, such as forms or CRM systems. Once you've selected a module, it's time to define the actions you want the module to perform. This could be as simple as fetching data or as complex as automating responses. After selecting your actions, don't forget to hit the Save button. Saving regularly ensures you don't lose your hard work, especially if you're experimenting with different configurations. With the basics set, it's time to add another module. This secondary module might communicate with an entirely different service, such as an email marketing tool or a database. Select what suits the workflow you envisage. Now, with another action defined, you'll again see the save option come into play. Always ensure your progress is saved as you adjust and refine the flow of your scenario. Moving on, you should add another layer of functionality by choosing another action. This helps diversify the capability of your scenario and ensures you're effectively targeting all necessary touchpoints. One important step is selecting your preferred account. Since different modules might require different accounts or logins, double check to ensure everything's connected correctly. Having selected your account, save the scenario once more for good measure. Alongside these modules and actions, functions add another layer of complexity. They allow for more fine-tuned control over how your data is processed, providing the ability to manipulate inputs and outputs to meet specific needs. Finally, after setting your functions, click Save once more. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've set up a robust framework for lead generation using Make.com. This scenario will help streamline your process, ensuring you capture data efficiently and automatically initiate follow-up actions. With practice, you'll be able to expand further, adding more modules and creating even more sophisticated scenarios. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to take full control of your lead generation strategies using Make.com.